So it's doing that on its own? Yeah, yep.
It's getting its bearings right now.
Really? Ace, no! Ace!
Wow.
Look at that, it looks so heavy, doesn't it?
Ready? Which way you want to go first?
Oh God. Let's just go up and look at, oh, Amanda.
So this thing gives you telemetry, how high you are up, everything.
How high will it
We're
go?
40-some feet. I can go a mile high, won't
No,
do.
you can't.
Jeff's our electrician here. He's a gadget guru.
We're over 100 feet now.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
There's 200 and some feet.
Now you're videoing all this?
Yeah. Well, we will be here in just a second.
Okay.
Let's see, video camera. Video camera.
I've lost it.
I know it.
You won't
Can
be
you
able
see
to
the
it.
screen?
Yeah, let me see.
Got some, well, that's not, yeah.
I don't know if you can see it or not.
I wanted to go to video.
Yeah, you can't see it.
Uh-uh.
We'll take the SD card and then
Yeah.
put it on our,
Kind of tell
on
what
our
we're
show.
doing.
So Jeff's our electrician. He has built airplanes, a steam engine, tractor.
Yeah.
He gadget stuff. I mean, what else? You built a boat, a little portable boat, you know, a little play boat thing, 80 miles an hour. And he's got this drone, and he wanted to come in and just show me what it could do. Look at that thing
Look
up
at
there.
it up there.
So normally if you get that out of the box, he said it flies a mile. He said he can fly it 3 miles.
Where you want to go to?
Look at that. Let's go to the river.
Oh my
Right over there
gosh,
and-
yes, go to the river.
And
There it
see
goes.
look at it, Amanda.
Oh my goodness.
Gone.
So how can you see?
Yeah, he's got it right on his phone there. I know nobody else probably can on the show. Oh yeah, there you go.
Can't really see it.
Yeah, a little reflection.
No.
We're 1,200 and some feet away from here right now.
Oh my goodness.
So is that,
That's the river.
that's the river?
Yeah.
Where are we at? I mean, I've lost where we're
Hold
at.
on a minute, I'll turn around. See, there's the river plumb over there.
No, you can't really see
Yeah,
it.
it just
Can't
keeps
see it.
reflecting.
Yeah.
So you're over the river now.
So we're back here?
Mm-hmm.
That's straight, it's straight right there?
Yeah, I'll turn around.
That's the farm over there.
Yeah.
Well, that's the farm. Oh,
All right,
that's where we're at?
Watch this.
Oh my God, you got 3 trusses up.
Yes, we do. Getting ready to throw a 4th one up.
Oh my goodness.
I can
So you're
figure-
over
I can
across the
figure
river.
Exactly where I'm at. See where that arrow's pointing?
Yeah.
Right there's the exact path we came on.
So is that ITH over there?
Yep.
They're looking back at us. So the river's between us and the building now.
All right, watch this.
You ever have hawks go after it and try to
Oh,
shoot
I
at it?
bet.
Watch this. I'll let us look down.
I know this is boring for you guys, but it's kind of neat.
But what we're gonna do is
Oh yeah.
There's the river right behind you.
All right, so that's,
That's the one right behind the plant.
see there's an island there I was wanting to look at, and there's another river, and that's, I don't know if that's the island or not, you know?
See right there, this is us right here.
Okay, so that's an island. Either that one or that one is.
This right here, this whole thing right here is an island.
That one?
Yeah.
So there's 2 islands back there.
Okay.
Anyway, I've hiked back there in the summer, and you could walk across the river, and there's an island back there. It's really cool. I was wanting to see what it looked like.
Look down, I can look down. Straight down if I want to.
That's cool. I know there are people, you know, you use drones now for everything, and people have flown over here. We just had, what was it? Is it the young couple that was here filming for Jenna? They're
Jay and Kelsey and Jay?
Kelsey and Jay.
Okay,
Is it Kelsey? That's her full name,
think
Kelsey
so.
and Jay.
I think.
And that's their YouTube show. But they had a drone, And they went up, that's the 160 acres. That's the mountain property.
I can't wait to see that.
So I took him to the lookout, and the sun was setting and all that stuff. So they said they took some drone shots. So
good.
that'll be cool too,
That'd
you
be
know.
good.
Yeah. Yep. So anyway. So we bring you guys kind of what we're doing throughout the day. We were just, all morning we've been getting our trusses ready and getting the boards ready and looking at them and everything. And it's a little bit different this time. Last time we set aside 6 or 8 of us, got it all systematically going, but we cannot afford to shut down progress on our homes.
Right.
So we've got 2 or 3 guys and we're mix mashing them. I'm going back from the phone to the office work to out in the, oh, there you go, man. He's got the whole shot. Look, there's the beach and look at the trusses.
Oh my goodness. Kinda can see
That's
it.
the beach.
Where is it at?
Way down yonder.
Oh, there it is,
my
see?
Goodness.
Is that not
Let me
cool?
see if I can zap in on him.
We still have 67% battery.
Yep.
This thing tells you everything. Your
What kind of machine is
648.
that? What
It's
brand?
a DJI Phantom 3 Professional.
Hey, you know what? Let's fly over there and get Yump and see if we can't see him. Well, he's probably done left, but we can see
Where's
what
he
he's
at?
digging.
Yeah.
Right straight across, right over there. So if you go over there and get a road on the mountain, you could follow the road on the mountain.
Look, there it goes. It's traveling.
You know, it'd be, if I think he went to lunch, but while he was digging, we could have that drone go right in on his machine.
That
you know?
would be hilarious. He'd probably swat it down.
We're getting there.
That's cool.
Look at it going across there.
Yep, there it
Going
goes.
over to the mountain.
So we could take that drone and go right over to our neighbor and go right up to their front door and ding dong.
Oh my goodness.
Here you go.
Yep.
Here you go. You can see.
Oh, wow. Look, Amanda, that's where we come in. So that's that pile of topsoil right down there.
Oh, you can't really sit on this. Oh yeah.
So you can follow that
Oh my
road
God, it looks so dry, don't it?
and then go down this road
My goodness.
back over in here.
That is so cool. Now we're going to be able to take the card and then download it on the computer and try to get that to everybody, show what he just did.
Yeah, and maybe we can voice over showing what's going on and stuff.
Yeah.
And
There you go. There's a bulldozer or whatever it is.
now, do you feel good about going all the way down in there? And
No.
No.
You can't really tell where everything's at.
So you can't see if a tree's in the way or a limb or
Right,
nothing like that.
right.
I mean, I can probably, where's it at? I can't even see it.
How close can you go down to the ground?
I can see it there. Hold on.
You can.
God, I can't see it.
See that little white dot out yonder?
Yes, there it is. It's
I'm
straight
gonna come
ahead right
down.
there.
I'm gonna come down to where I'm comfortable.
Oh,
Oh,
my
yeah.
gosh. See if we can see.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
Wow, look, he's right above the trees, man. Ooh,
Okay, I'm gonna stop right there.
good night.
There
Right,
it
so we can
is.
look around.
It's right. Let me see. Where's my finger? Right there.
Let's go over here.
Oh, cool. Boy, that's interesting.
Interesting.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Where does all that road go to?
Well, I don't know where, I can't really tell where we're at.
We passed him. We're on the back side of the woods over there.
Well, I don't know. We're not on the backside, so that's another road. But we do have a house we want to show, right?
Yeah.
Is
And
it
we
up
can-
on the sales lot?
Yeah, it's about to but we can stop real quick and then we'll go up there in a little bit. So,
All right.
but we're gonna get this video and we'll once you guys get done and stuff, and then we'll try to get it downloaded and stuff. That'll be fun. That is super cool. I like to see it go over the forest.
The forest?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we got him over there. Now we got him over here.
I mean, Jeff Simpler.
And there's our trusses.
Look at there.
Yep.
Wow, that is so cool.
So we got 100 foot. So that building, the building right now is 200 feet long.
Mhm.
So we're gonna add another 100 foot to that.
Okay.
We got the metal coming in next week. And then we've got our brackets. So we're gonna start building a building here that'll be right here in the front,
Yeah.
right here. This will be
Oh, that's fun.
230 feet long or something. Yeah, there it is.
Where?
Straight in front of you, up. Yeah. Barely see it.
Bringing it down.
I can hear it.
I can too. That is cool.
Yeah.
It's right there.
It sounds like a major bumblebee. Oh, there it is.
I'm 250 some feet up still.
So you
Are
could
you
go down to
really?
about 100 feet, right?
Yeah, I can come down close to
Let's go knock on Will's house, his door. What do you eat for lunch?
100. Okay, follow the road.
Go talk to David. We go right in David's door.
We're gonna follow the road.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it and then we'll
All right.
show the house here in just a minute.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Oh, here it comes.
Is your microphone on?
Yep.
Hey, tell that it's coming by itself.
So now we're waiting on the drone. It's coming in all by itself. He just hit a button. We're just sitting here waiting for it.
Oh my gosh.
There it is. This is like NASA, Amanda.
Look at it.
Watch Ace. He's sitting right there on it.
When he gets down close, I'll stop it before he gets to it.
There it is.
Come here, buddy.
It's gonna drop on my head.
You stay.
ain't it?
You stay.
Look at that.
It's got lights blinking on it.
Here it comes.
You stay. Are you honing it in?
I'm just turning towards the shot.
Stay.
Stop it. See, I can take this thing.
Neat.
I can put it sideways.
I want to get on it.
Watch Amanda. Watch her.
It's checking you out, Amanda.
That is cool.
Landing itself.
No way.
No, no, Ace, no.
Don't you do that. No, no, no.
Good boy, good boy.
I guess we can stop recording now.
Stop recording.
That's cool. So cool.
Well, let's go look at the house.
Yeah, let's go look at a house.
We
All right.
never even recorded.
Didn't it record? Oh no. Well, that's okay.
I might have it on my phone.
That's a good trial
We
run.
might do. That is cool.
Hey,
Look
come
what
back.
he's got.
Give me a
He got the
Hey,
bag.
come here. Come here.
Hey,
Oh, you give that to me. Let go.
he's like, but I didn't get the toy. Can I have the bag?
Let me see if I got it on my phone.
Cool.
Lord, that's funny. Well, that is cool as can be.
That is awesome.
Very cool.
I could use it and
Oh my gosh, yeah.
so, you know, I would like to get right on my building,
Yes.
like 5 foot above my building, and look at the roof of the building, what it looks like,
Yeah.
how it's weathering, whatever. Get right on them trusses and look
I
down.
like to see inside the building, the guys over the roof and everything like that.
Go inside the
Yeah,
building.
go inside.
Can you
That'd be
fly it
cool.
inside the building?
Yeah, I can put it in Addy mode to fly inside.
Woo, cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
All right.